Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the app Raya. First, you must be already be accepted in Raya. If you are approved, open the Raya app on your iPhone and log in. When the app opens, you will see a profile appear on at a time. Each profile has photo and music playing in the background. Swipe right if you are interested, swipe left if you are not. If you swipe right on someone and swipe right on you, then it's a match. When you match, you can start messaging on each other inside the app. See your match, tap the chat on message icon. Tap on a message or match to send a message. Keep messaging simple and respectful. Raya is more relationship focused and professional than most dating apps. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.